Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. Joshua and I are here in this really cute town here in Michigan. It's called Frankenmuth, and they go all out for Christmas. There's so many pretty Christmas decorations. I want to take you guys around with us today, but we just pulled up to a place that's called Christmas Wonderland. It's called Bronner's Christmas Wonderland. If you guys live in Michigan, you probably know of this place or have been here. They have so many cool Christmas things. So I actually have not been here this close to Christmas. The day we're filming this is the 23rd, so it's probably gonna be so busy in there, but super fun, and we're just really excited to kind of make some fun Christmas memories together. So I hope you guys enjoy kind of coming along with us today, and I think it's gonna be really fun. We were just saying it's probably so cute here at night. So they literally have an ornament for every single hobby or job, like everything. So Joshua and we're gonna check to see how long the lines are, but we're like, we kind of want to get a special ornament or something, start that tradition to get like a new special one every year if we can find something that makes sense for us to have. We might have found something that makes sense for us. Dog dad, dog mom. Those colors, I don't think they'd really go with our tree, but if we can find something. Oh my goodness, that literally looks like our boys.
It's a poodle.
It's a poodle?
Yeah.
It's so fluffy. Looks like one of the boys. Aww. That kind of looks more like them.
Like Bandit.
Oh, this is sweet. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This really is Christmas Wonderland. Does Santa actually sit up there, or where is he?
No, I think he was over there.
Oh, okay. Wow. Joshua and I have been walking around here for so long. It's so busy.
It really makes you smile. Just walking in.
It really does put you into the Christmas spirit. I don't think I'm even like capturing how Christmassy this place is. It's just like so packed. I don't want to have my camera out. We still have to find an ornament or something to take home with us, but it is a very, very fun place. Now we're in all like the trees and stuff. Nobody's really in this section because probably everybody already has their tree up.
Like, I keep getting something in my...
We just walked out. I got my little ornament. We're just gonna look around because they have so many things outside. This is not the Christmas we were expecting in Michigan. There's no snow. There's like this float. There's just like so much stuff we wanted to look at outside. It's so pretty. I'm sure it's so pretty at night though. Entering the Silent Night Memorial Chapel. Whoa. History of a Silent Night, Holy Night. The birth of Christ as recorded in the Bible, Luke chapter 2. So that's in every different language. Oh, Turkish, French, Assyrian, Russian, Norwegian, French. Wow, that is so cool. We just went into a record store and bought our first record.
First vinyl record purchase.
A record player now because my Secret Santa got me one. So yeah, we feel pretty cool. But we're waiting. We're going to eat at the Frankenmuth Brewery and there's a super long wait. So we're just kind of hanging out for a little bit. I think we're gonna go into this cheese house. It looks kind of cool. This is what the cheese house looks like. All I can say is it smells really good.
Yeah.
It's making us hungry. Okay, they have a lot of cheese here, but my question is, how would you know when this one goes bad? This right here, for those that didn't know, Joshua actually is German. This is a German town that we're in right now too. They've got carriage rides. This is our healthy lunch right here, splitting mac and cheese and pizza. So we had our lunch slash dinner. We ate a lot of food.
And dessert.
And we just got like 2 pounds of fudge.
Yeah, it's 2 pounds.
Merry Christmas. Now we're just kind of walking around.
I fished this river here.
Yeah, he has.
It's the Cass River.
He has fished this river
I've been right
before.
here with my brother.
It's so pretty right now, so I wanted to walk over here and see it. But yeah, we're just having a really fun time. It's so Christmassy here, so it like really puts you in the Christmas spirit.
You want to go on the other side?
Okay. Here's a beautiful little nativity. This is so cute. We just got home and Joshua was just feeding the dogs.
Just fed the dogs, everyone.
But they were actually at grooming today. So I want to show you guys what we ended up getting. We got Frankenmuth fudge. Boy, oh boy, is that delicious.
There's a headless horseman there for a minute.
And then at Bronner's, we ended up getting this ornament. I got this one because I thought it would go with our black and white tree in the other room. It's kind of hard because I wasn't sure if I'm sticking with the theme, that like this colorful tree next year or not. But I know I'm always gonna do like that black and white. So this little ornament, just thought it was really cute. It has a little manger scene on it. So I just thought that was really sweet. Black, silver, it was $9.99. That place was really cool. It was so busy.
So, and it was big. I thought one wall was the end and it just kept going. But more importantly, if you guys want to see the fudge, comment down below now. Oh, I see a comment. I see a comment.
Wait,
here it is.
what are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna show them the fudge.
Oh, you want to eat it now?
No.
I want to show them another thing that I got.
Oh yeah. So before we move on to this cool thing,
Okay.
the flavors we got were
regular
chocolate,
which we already did have a piece in the car.
chocolate peanut butter, Rocky Road. Kind of excited about that one. And then peanut butter cup.
A full 2 pounds of fudge.
2 pounds of fudge. We're gonna bring it to the Christmas party, so cool. On to her. I'm gonna read the directions.
Okay, and then one other thing that we got was a record. While we were waiting for our table at the restaurant we were going to, there was this record store that was like right next door. And we went in there, and I did just get a record player for Christmas. Like when we celebrated Joshua's family's Christmas, we got a little Christmas album. It's, when is it, like 1980 something? Yeah, 1981. But yeah, it has like Joy to the World, First Noel, Way in a Manger, so songs like that. But we just thought that was really cute, and it was $5. So we just thought that was kind of fun. But we're going to spend the rest of the night. I'm going to wrap presents, and I'm going to bake some sugar cookies. I'm probably just going to end the video here. But I hope you guys are having a very Merry Christmas, and don't forget the reason for the season. It's not all about gifts. It truly is about the birth of Jesus Christ. But I hope you guys have a great time with friends and family. Thank you so much for your support, for liking my videos, subscribing. It all means the world to me. Merry Christmas, everybody, and I will see you really soon in my next video. You have to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.